Good morning. Sa shrimps na to, lahat ng sangkap, laso na at chili labuyo lang, gisa at gisa yung shrimps at asin, salt, sugar, and ginisa mix, and then mix water. Okay, all finished na. That is my simple cooking today. Hello, hi, good morning. Ito ang kitchen cook chip. This is my kitchen. This is my happiness every morning. Cleaning, cooking. Before go to my shop, I'm wake up 9 o'clock. I'm sleep midnight o'clock because I'm duty shop. Thank you. When I wake up, I buy now shrimps first and then gisa mix only. And that's my simple and then much rice. Hello, 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 hello. Thank you, thank you, thank you for watching my YouTube, my vlogs, videos. Chok, chok, chok. There is my finish na. Thank you. Thank you. This is my every morning if I wake up. Bye-bye.